Hi loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Just as promised in my previous video, this will be the tutorial for our multicolored granny square skirt. If you watched my previous video on multicolored granny square sweater, this tutorial will be very easy for you to follow. If you haven't, I advise you watch it first. Remember, this set is for medium size, so I made a total of 12 granny squares for the skirt, and each of the squares measures 5.5 inches. And the waist size I'm working with is 33 inches, so I had to join 6 of the squares together to go around the waist. For the back panel of the skirt, I joined 3 granny squares this way, then attached extra 3 granny squares, which made it a total of 6 granny squares. Then I did the same thing for the front panel. When the 2 panels were ready, I joined the 2 sides using single crochet. For the waist ribbon, I didn't go into every stitch with a single crochet as usual. I started by making 1 double crochet into every stitch. Then from the second row, I made front and back posts till I got 3 rows. This is how the front of the skirt looks. For the size adjustment, I'm sorry I forgot to record. I made a total of 250 chains, then I passed it through the waist ribbon. This is how the back of the skirt looks. If there is any step you don't understand, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next video. Bye!